Unlocking the mystery, the Panther's whisper. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that might have puzzled many of you: Panther's whisper. This expression is not just about animals or sounds but carries deeper meanings and uses in the English language. So, stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind the Panther's whisper. At first glance, Panther's whisper might seem like a straightforward combination of words. A panther, which is a large wild cat, and a whisper, a soft and very quiet sound. However, when these words come together, they create a metaphorical phrase that is not commonly found in everyday English. It's poetic and rich in imagery, suggesting something that is powerfully silent, mysteriously stealthy, or elegantly dangerous. To fully appreciate the phrase, we must understand what a panther represents. Panthers are known for their strength, agility, and predatory prowess. They move silently, their steps almost imperceptible, making them excellent hunters. Thus, a panther's whisper could symbolize something that is effectively powerful without being overtly noticeable, a subtle force or influence that doesn't need to announce itself loudly to be felt. Given its poetic and somewhat abstract nature, Panther's whisper is best used in creative writing or when one wants to emphasize the efficacy of subtlety over brute force. For example, in leadership, one might say, "She leads with the panther's whisper, her influence felt rather than heard," highlighting a subtle yet impactful leadership style. Literature. In the heart of the jungle, the panther's whisper carried more authority than the lion's roar, commanding respect without a sound. Everyday use. He navigated the corporate world like a panther's whisper, making significant changes quietly but effectively. Philosophical thought. True power is like the panther's whisper. It does not boast, yet it is undeniable. The Panther's whisper is a beautiful example of how the English language allows for creative expression beyond literal meanings. It invites us to look deeper into the subtleties of communication and influence, reminding us that sometimes the most powerful messages are those delivered not with a shout, but with a whisper. We hope this exploration has illuminated the phrase for you and perhaps inspired you to use it in your own expressions. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more mysteries of the English language together in future videos.